All right, so Ethereum TA right now, daily chart right now. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna remove all the drawings and everything else. I don't know what's going on. So you have the 200-day moving average on Ethereum at 1472. You got the daily chart dumping, just looks just like Bitcoin. But let's look at the smaller time frames. Smaller time frames are oversold. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour charts oversold, just like the 4 hour chart. Meaning, again, I think crypto long term is not done with the downside movements, but I think short term we are not done with movements to the upside. Meaning, I think we're gonna have another move and another higher high before Ethereum wants to dump on the smaller time frames, such as the 4 hour chart and the 1 hour chart. So I still think Ethereum will make new lows in this bear market. But I think for right now, based on the 4 hour chart, it looks just like the same as Bitcoin and Jasmine. And a lot of other altcoins are oversold on the 4 hour chart and the 1 hour chart, while the daily chart's completely overbought. So I would look for something like this, a move again above 1315 for a higher high. And I would say that you're probably not going to go much lower on Ethereum based on the RSI on the 4 hour and 1 hour chart. So let me see if I see anything on the 1 hour chart that I like as far as patterns go. And I don't see anything on there. Let me go to the 15-minute chart, nothing. You could say, though, that this is kind of bearish as far as Ethereum goes because you have a double top right here. I would say at 1312. So be careful. There's a chance you don't go above that for that reason. But I do think based on the 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart, they will get a move again above 1312. We will see what happens. But that is huge resistance. So if you get back to this level of 1312 on Ethereum and you can't get above it, look for a major move to the downside. If you break it, I think it's going to be a nice move to the upside. But that is definitely a double top on Ethereum on the 4 hour chart. So I don't really like that. I don't really see a falling wedge or anything like that, unfortunately, to be bullish on Ethereum. So I hate to say that. But I would look for a move back to 1312 just based on the oversold RSI on the 4 hour and 1 hour chart. And that is kind of I'm looking for a move back to 1312 on Ethereum based on that. What's also interesting is you also definitely have a double bottom on Ethereum at 1074. So you have a double bottom and a double top now. So the question is which one will take over. I think based on the oversold RSI, you will get a move back to 1312. If you can't get above it, it could be a triple top, but I think at least you will get a move back to that resistance level. You either break it huge or you get rejected. If you get rejected, then I think that will be the top at 1312. But I think you get one more chance and shot at it based on what the RSI is telling me. So that is kind of it for Ethereum. I'm calling for a move back to 1312 later to